Python Pandas replacing header with top row. I currently have a data frame that looks like this. I'm looking for a way to delete the header row and make the first row the new header row, so the new data frame would look like this. I've tried stuff along the lines of if unnamed in df.columns column then make the data frame without the header df.to_csv, new format, header equals false, index equals false, but I don't seem to be getting anywhere.
The data frame can be changed by just doing. Then should do the trick.
If you want a one-liner, you can do.
Another one-liner using Python swapping. This one reset the index. Although the opposite one work is expected df.columns, df equals df.ilog, 0, df, 1 column.
At AstroCAC answer is best. Most likely you would want to keep that throughout any references to the data frame, thus would benefit from in place equals true. df.rename, columns equals df.ilog, 0, in place equals true. df.drop, 0, in place equals true.
If you asked support, then is a little lucky.